Excellent opening red from Mark Selby. How's the kiss on the green? It's good.
One.
There's the split. How's his luck? It's okay.
Beautiful shot.
17.
Played to perfection. Excellent. Absolutely immaculate century break. Needs to work on that shot. Good pot. Very good pot.
No hesitation, straight into the cluster. That red's close to the corner pocket.
Good shot.
Just at the point of no return in this frame.
But still very strong favourite in the frame.
Mark Selby, 59.
And Jack was so desperate to get the reds off the cushion. He's had a double kiss and that should be frame over.
Yeah, he didn't need to play that, did he? He could have just rolled up to those reds. Just either didn't see it or didn't have the patience to play it. That shot was very difficult. Perhaps it wasn't even on.
Yeah, he was a little unlucky, wasn't he, Jack, early on when he potted that blue and went into the pack. Put a bit more into it, missed the plant over the corner pocket, and, well...
7 and frame.
Mark Selby. We've just got to say wave goodbye to frame number 2. And it's not really a shot to nothing, I don't think, the way that red is by the black, but we'll soon see. Well, it was, and it was struck so well. Beautifully played, and look at the split. Absolutely perfect. Open like a bunch of flowers. Top class. From start to finish, top class. And the man is putting on an absolute clinic. That's how you play snooker, people. As I say, just got a little unlucky going into the pack in frame 2, and since then and before, he hasn't really had much to go at. But that'll help. Great pot.
I think that red that's just separated from the cluster at the back there might pot as well to left corner if he can get on it correctly. So that might be the way he goes about opening these reds, should he get that far.
4.
Really well played this. Didn't overplay it. Didn't overhit it.
Oh no.
Foul.
He played it plain ball, but it's the same place. Right in behind the pink.
Foul. Completely underhit. And I'm assuming these two reds aren't a plant to the left middle pocket.
But if it goes in, he will be on the black. Oh, goodness me. It's more difficult than he thought it was. And there you go, see. He had a grain of doubt in his mind about it going.
To get his name on the scoreboard. And he wouldn't mind having that again. But floated it in.
Only 2 frames behind. Don't be worried about any of that. And Mark says that's enough. And a fantastic opening section. That distance between the 2 balls. He'll have to hit this properly. Oh, what a shot. Brilliant. Very surprising there.
Mark Selby, 18.
That was a strange cycle of play. Now, a bit of a lifeline being thrown here to Jack, and he's completely butchered it.
Well, he isn't on nothing, he's on the green. And that was a very good pot.
$63. Mark 63 and frame.
Not big pockets, these. You're going to punch them in. Yeah, they're not big pockets. Those sorts of shots they don't like.
Mark Selby, 3.
Long way to go, but a chance for 3 each now.
$7.
Yeah, well played. They give me any price you like when it was 3-0 to Mark Selby. It was going to be 3 each.
45.
That's what it is. Absolutely fabulous. Very fluent. That's what he's all about.
On the other hand, though, Mark Selby has seen it all before. Yeah, decided to try and go into something there, and I'm not sure has he got the gap. If he hasn't, he's on nothing.
I tell you what, if he's got the gap, oh, we'd be over the moon. He got that
42.
gap. No need for any heroics. Just leave Jack in behind the brown. I think he'll get a concession. Yeah, I suppose he should do. Looking at the scoreboard.
Foul. 4 frame. Mark
That's
Selby.
enough for Jack. Well, it was a very good break.
Just over half an hour since his last pot. And what a way to end that drought. Played it in and out of ball. What a great shot.
1. $64.
How has he not won a tournament? It is just beyond comprehension. So much talent. And so much bottle. What an absolutely brilliant frame snooker that was.
Well, he won't be happy with where it is now. What a strike that is from Jack Lisowski. You can't hit the ball any better than that. And that is this
7.
frame in the bag. And who would have thought this when he trailed 3-0? That an hour and a half later he'd be ahead. Unbelievable turnaround.
12.
Not out of the woods yet, but he's going to get 2 bites at it. Pink's not finished yet.
Foul 6, 12
And there's the concession from Mark Selby. So Jack leaves the arena. Yeah, it wasn't straightforward.
One.
Good pot. Very good pot.
And he's tried to force it off one cushion. Tried to bring the red into play. And that was very high tariff.
Jack Lisowski, 21.
In it goes. Absolutely brilliant pot. Here we go. This is be the frame and match. And it is. Mark Selby comes over, shakes his hand, and I'm sure he's saying very well played to Jack Lisowski. And I agree, because that's as good as I've seen that boy compete. He's always been a talent, but tonight he was a proper competitor. He fully deserved that victory from 3-0 down. Jack Lisowski was brilliant tonight, and he beats Mark Selby by 6 frames to 4.